Imagine a world where you can enhance your abilities, not through years of training, but with technology. Welcome to the realm of biohacking. This cutting-edge field, born from the marriage of biology and technology, aims to augment our human capabilities. It's not a plot from a science fiction novel, it's a fascinating reality that many curious minds are exploring today. The goal? To push the boundaries of what it means to be human. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of biohacking. So how does one hack their biology? Let's simplify it. Imagine biohacking as a hobby, where instead of building model planes, you're enhancing your own abilities. Think of nootropics. They're like the spinach to your Popeye, boosting your brain's performance. They can help you think faster, remember more, and stay focused longer. Now let's take it up a notch with microchips implantation. Ever wished for a superpower? This could be as close as it gets. These tiny devices, when implanted under the skin, can grant you new abilities like unlocking doors with a wave of your hand or even measuring your vitals in real time. The goal here is not to turn us into cyborgs, but to make us better versions of ourselves. Biohacking techniques are like life's cheat codes, designed to make us smarter, stronger, and more efficient. So, biohacking is all about pushing the limits of what is naturally possible. But what does the future hold for biohacking? Picture a world where we could optimize our bodies and minds to reach their full potential. Societal norms could shift as we redefine what it means to be human. Yet this brave new world raises ethical questions that we must grapple with. While it's an exciting frontier, biohacking still requires thorough research and understanding before we can fully dive in. The future of biohacking is exciting and holds immense potential. The question is, are we ready to embrace it?